These lovely Opio have been here all day long waiting to grace you with their presence. And I feel bad because I feel like I would cut them short. But I know we want to see more, right? Ho'okahi, ho'okahi ho, ke olu olu, mahalo. Okay, Hanu. Okay, the next melody and final melody we're going to do for you is called Popuna. It is for Pele and Hi'iaka legend again. And this time, Hi'iaka is playing a game of Kilu with, Kalamai. It's Lohiao that's playing a game of Kilu. And he has to be very careful because if he loses, he wants to win because he gets to then have Hi'iaka. And if he has Hi'iaka, Pele will be very, very angry. So it talks about, and he's on the island of Oahu when this happens. So it says Puna is darkened by this situation that's happening here. We do for you Popuna.
Popuna i tauahi e, popuna.
Popuna I tauahi e, kui makale ua makanoho e, na wahine ki e pa'u e. Hei 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 ana o ka ukula e, noho ano te papa e. Lohi o makale, a aho I ta papa e. Mai puna au e, te ha'ala kalau o kalima. Ke oho ka niu ke ka huline. Mai puna au e, te ha'ala kalau o kalima. Ke oho ka niu ke ka huline. Mai puna au e.
Hino no Hula Piko poli o Pele.
Mahalo. Come on, Moloka'i. Mahalo nui.